guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So for today's video, you guys can read by the title, I'm gonna be doing my first ever subscription Boxycharm unboxing. I've been watching a lot of Caitlin like Boxycharm, that the Boxycharm unboxing got in my head every time I say Boxycharm. But I'm gonna be doing my first ever Boxycharm unboxing after like 5 years, I guess. Finally, I decided to be subscribed to them, and I as well gonna show you guys the stuff that I pick up from the mega drop shop that they had. I did 2 purchases and 1 more purchase that is coming on the way. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the mega drop shop that they had it open for the month of February. Now it's closed and it will be back to open on May, but the drop shop is gonna be open on March 14th. So let's open what I got inside here. It's so heavy, like it has a weight to it. This is what is inside the box. It came with this inside as well. So when I opened this, I got this card. It just says Boxycharm, be my glam in type, and it shows you what products are inside and their prices, their website. The more expensive one that I got, treatment mask, that's the most expensive one, that is $69. And I just paid $27. The first thing that I grabbed is this Masque Hydron Setting Spray. I never heard about this company before. I don't think I will use it. I think I will put it in a giveaway. I'm gonna give it away. So that is gonna be included in one of my giveaways that I'm gonna be doing. That is gonna be 2 winners. I always do the 1 winner, but this time I'm going with 2. Stay tuned for that giveaway. The other stuff that I also got is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow 2 drops. And this is a highlighting serum. I've been liking serum lately. I've been starting to wear serum before applying my moisturizer. The Masque Hydro Setting Spray, this one costs $26, and then this highlighting serum is the one that costs $34. Ooh, I like the packaging. Cannot wait till I use this. Oh, and it comes with a balm. Nice. I'm gonna apply this a little bit. Oh, it feels really good. And it smells really good. I cannot wait to use that. So the next product, oh, I saw they gave me a palette, and it's from Masque Artistic Palette. This palette is gonna be included in that giveaway as well. So let's continue on. So the next product is this coconut and fig hair mask. I'm very impressed about that. Can't wait to give this product a test out, and I will tell you guys what I think about it, if I like it, if I don't like it. This one costs $16.95. So the next, the Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. I needed one of these. I needed one of these for sure. And this one costs $23. It smells like pineapple. It smells so good. And lastly, for the Boxycharm subscription, first Boxycharm, I got the Axologist Toxifying Treatment Mask. This is the one that costs $69, right? $69. Now I'm gonna move on to what I got from the mega drop shop shopping haul. I wanted to get some few stuff, and I have 1 more order on the way. If you want to know what I got on that order, go to my Instagram, because I'm gonna post it yet. I don't want to post it in a video. It's gonna be a really short video. But first, I'm gonna show you guys what I got on this box. We open it. Comes with brown paper. So the first thing is the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray, and this one I got it in the scent peach. And this, I heard that it was Nikki's tutorial favorite setting spray back in the day. I don't know if it's still her favorite. It smells like peach for sure. Then I also purchased another of the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day, because they had it 2 scents. So they had it the peach and the green one, and this other one is in cucumber. It does smell like cucumber. I also got the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder. I like the packaging. I got this shade translucent. So the other purchase is the Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. I'm super excited that I purchased it. I have dry skin, so I need dewy setting spray. I just like the packaging. Lastly, for this order, I got 2 brushes. See what I tell you guys, that I love brushes, like I love blushes. I want to give them a try, give them a test. These are called the Complex Couture brushes, and this is how it looks like. It looks so beautiful. I like the feeling of the handle. They feel really soft. This is the powder brush, I think it's called. This is a press and set and bronzer, so you can definitely bronze with it. Oh yes, you can, baby. And then the other one, the other brush that I got is this one, that is the angle brush. And this one reminds me of the Japanese squid brush that I have here. Kind of looks identical. And this one is for to apply your foundation. Angle foundation brush. I just like the pen. It kind of looks like the Fenty brushes, but this one is in silver and the Fenty is in pink. I like the bristles as well because they feel really soft. So that is all what I got from that order. Now I'm gonna move on to the bigger box. When I tell you that I went crazy with the mega drop shot, I went crazy. The first thing that I got is the Beauty Bakery blending egg. I already have this, but I love sponges so much. It had so many good reviews that I was like, I need another one because I love sponges. Like, I just love sponge. Do I need it? No. But did I wanted it? Yes. Then I got 3 of the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. I got the shade Shield. Maybe you guys have seen it, but if you haven't seen it, I would do the swatch for you guys. They smell like vanilla. No, they smell like coconut. They smell so good. This is nice. This is Shield. The other one is called Shiro. When you pair it with a brown lip liner, like the Morphe Sweet Tea or the Matte Chestnut or Cork, it will look so nice. And lastly, I got the shade Mogul. And this is how they look. These are my type of colors that I love to wear. Okay, Arita, close it please. And then I also got 2 of the Anastasia loose setting spray. I got the shade Translucent as well with the shade Golden Orange. This is how they look. And then I got the translucent one. I also got 2 of the Huda Beauty mini palettes. I couldn't pass about these. These was gone real quick. Like some of the colors, some of the 2 colors that I also wanted it was out of stock so quick. I wanted it the Fenty foundation and I also wanted it the Fenty primer. That quick, like that quick was gone. But I'm happy that I got these 2. This is a Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession and this is a Huda Beauty Coral Obsession palette. And I already saw the colors inside of the Coral and the Ruby one. They look so cute. And this one, oh, look at the Ruby one. It creams for fall. The other product that I also got is this Anastasia Norvina collection. And this is the volume 2. Someone is broken on the inside because it's powder everywhere. The eyeshadow in the middle is broken. Look at it. Come on, camera. I just had to buy some alcohol. Let's continue on. The next palette that I also got is the Huda Beauty, the Mercury palette. Okay, this one did not come broken, but this is how it looks like. The colors are nice on this palette. The next palette is this Ace Beauty, and this one is called Nostalgia palette. Oh my goodness, this one looks nice. Look at the colors. Lastly, for this video haul, I got another palette. I got the Violet Box Top Notch palette. The cool tone colors. The one that I want is all warm, but that's okay. Yeah, my loves, that is all what I got from this mega drop shop deal. Like I told you guys, I have another order on the way, but I'm gonna be posting that one on Instagram. So please follow me on Instagram. The link is gonna be in the description box below as well. Thumbs up this video if you guys enjoyed, and as well subscribe to my channel so you guys can be part of the squad and click on the notification bell so you guys don't miss any new video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.